Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-An'am, ayah number 45 and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فقطع دابر القوم الذين ظلموا. Give hums. Whenever you see fa, you're giving hums. And hums is flow of breath. Fa, qu, qaf is heavy. For the circular lips, the sound is short. Qu, qi, qa. Ta is the heaviest letter in Quran, so make sure you are giving itbaq. Itbaq means you are lifting your tongue up nicely and pasting it on your palate. Qi. And for kasra, give isam. Qi, a, ain from your throat. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Da, 2 counts long. B, for kasra, give e sound. Orul. Ra is heavy for dhamma, circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Orul. Qaw. Qaf is heavy, fatha upon jaws. And this is lean. Wow, sakina qablaha maftu is this is wow lean. So lean means to make it soft when you are attaching fatha with waw. Here you are applying the soft sound. Qaw, mil. For kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasud. La, for fatha upon jaws. The, 2 counts long. Give zabzaba in dal. Na, for fatha upon jaws. Dha is heavy. And it has itbaq. Dha, la, for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Mu, 2 counts long for the circle lips, and make sure you are not keeping this long vowel in your nose. It should be from the jaw, from your mouth. ظلموا well. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha open jaws, attach lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. Ham, give hams in half. For fatha open jaws, attach it mim. We will get sip off the wasut. Ham, do for the circle lips. Lil, for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. La, and this lafz jalala is light because there is kasra before it. Lillahi, he, for kasra, give e sound, make ha light. Rab, ra is heavy. Whenever ra is fatha or dhamma, it is heavy, so it has fatha, so here it is heavy. Rab, with ba, there is shidda, the sound will cut off. Rab, bil, for kasra, give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get sip off the wasut. 2 counts long. La, for fatha upon jaws. Mean. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad anid lisakun. فقطع دابر القوم الذين ظلموا والحمد لله رب العالمين. قل, قاف is heavy for the circle lips attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasud. Hamza is sharp. There is cut off of a flow. There is no flow whatsoever. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. Here it is heavy. So for any heavy letter, you are lifting your tongue up, but you are not circling your lips. Ra, I. This is yailin, so make it soft. I. Tum, for the circle lips attached with mim, you will get sip of tawasut. And for ta, you're circling your lips. As you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position, so you should not give dhamma on mim. Tum, in, for hamza is sharp, for kasra give e sound attached with nun, nun will get sifa of tawasut. In, basically, what is tawasut? Tawasut is when you are going to on the makhraj and you are making sure that you have pronounced it well. This is what tawassut is. Like you are not making a long sound, but you're making sure that this makhraj and this sound is complete. In, so you when you are going towards hamza, which is after noon, you're making sure that you have pronounced this noon well. This is what tawassut is. In a, hamza is very sharp, fatha open jaws. Kho is heavy, fatha open jaws, and the sound is short. They'll give the ba in dal. Make sure you put your tip of your tongue under the edge of the frontal two teeth. The law, lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. The law, who. Lafz jalala will be heavy here because there is fatha and it is long, and who is light. For dhamma, circle ellipse, the sound is short. Sam, for fatha open jaws, it meme, we will get sifa of tawasut. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Kum, for dhamma, circle ellipse, attached with meme, you will get sifa of tawasut. And remember, tawasut is to make sure that you pronounced and to you engaged the whole makhraj of meme to pronounce this letter. Kum, huwa, for makhraj of waw, circle ellipse, fatha open jaws. Ab, hamza is sharp, for fatha open jaws, attached ba, ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qalqala is not only at-talamus, like you are not only touching it, but you are making sure that you are making qalqala. Qalqala is taba'ud. You bring shidda here, and then you apart the makhraj. This is what qalqala is, and you're making sure that you are applying it well. Ab, 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 صاد is heavy. There's safir, make it two counts long. Ra is heavy because it has fatha on it. Kum, for the circle and left that is meme, you will get sifa of the wasat. Wa, makhraj of waw is circling your lips, fatha open your jaws. Kha is heavy with infitah. There is no itbaq in qa, there is infitah. Your there is the sound is not depending on the palate and the tongue, but it has infitah. It's open. The mouth is open when you're saying kha. Kha, ta, ta. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short and very sharp. Ma, for fatha open jaws. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. La, two counts long and make it light. U, off is heavy for the circular lips, the sound is short. And make sure that you are making off heavy all the time. U, lu, for the circular lips, make it two counts long. B, for kasra, give E sound. Kum, this is idgham shafawi. Kum man, for fatha open jaws attached with nun gets sip of the wasut. E, for kasra, give E sound. La, two counts long. Hun, for the circle your lips. And here the sifa is tawasut and ruling is idhar. Hun, غاي, غين has انفتح, it is استعلى, مستعلية حروف حرف, and غين is heavy, غاي, and it has lean. So when you're attaching a fatha with ya, you are applying softness. غاي, ra is heavy. Lafz jalala will be heavy too because there is dhamma before it. Rule law by default is it is two counts long. Law he for kasra give e sound. Yeah for fatha open jaws and attach with hamza. Hamza is cutting off the sound. There is no flow of sound whatsoever. Yeah t two counts long. Kum ikhfa shafawi holding the sound in your nose. Kum bi for kasra give e sound and make sure you are making ha light. B and it you're giving رخاوة. انظر. How you figure out the haraka for this hamzatul wasl? You are counting three letters. Hamza is first, noon is second, and dha is third. When there is dhamma on third letter, you are giving dhamma on hamzatul wasl. Otherwise, you are giving kasra. So third letter has dhamma, so you are giving dhamma on hamzatul wasl. And after that there is ikhfa, and this ikhfa is heavy because za is among heavy letters. So because for the heavy ikhfa you are lifting your tongue up nicely. Unzur. For dhamma, circular lips attached with ra will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Unzur. And give tawassut. Unzur. Kay. This is Yailin. Make up light, and Yailin is making the sound soft, very soft. Kayfa. Give hams and fa for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short. Nu for dhamma circular lips. The sound is short. Sar. Okay, sorry. Ra is light here because there is kasra on it. Sar, sarri, sar. Sad is heavy, but ra is light. Sarri, nu sarri, full for dhamma circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get zip off the wasat. Two counts long. Ya, keep ya light and soft. Two counts long. T for kasra give E sound. Thum for the circular lips attached with me, we will get zip off. Kunna, this kunna is sakmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha upon your jaws, and the sound is short with fatha. Hum for the circular lips attached with me will get zip off the wasut, and hukmuhu idhar. Yes, keep ya light for fatha upon jaws attached with sod. Sod will be heavy, and sod will have Rahawa, and it has Safir. Yes, D for Kasra give E sound. Foon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has affected this two counts long vowel and has changed it into four counts. This is Madaridless Sakun. And make sure that this long vowel should not go into your nose at all. قل أرأيتم إن أخذ الله سمعكم وأبصاركم وختم على قلوبكم من إله غير الله يأتيكم به انظر كيف نصرف الآيات ثم هم يصدفون. قل قاف is heavy for the circular lips attached with lam. Lam will get zip off. Tawassut. قل Hamza is very sharp. There is cut of sound. No flow of sound is here. Ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. This is Yailin. Make sure you are making Hamza very sharp. But as this fatha will be attached with ya, here you are applying softness because this is Yailin. Lean means softness. Ta. Ta is sharp sound. No flow of sound here. Kum for dhamma circular lips attached with meme. You will get sip of the wasut. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give e sound attached with noon. Suffice the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. In a sharp sound for fatha upon your jaws. Ta very sharp sound, make it two counts long. Kum for the circular lips attached with me will get zip up the wasut and hukmuhu idhar. A ain from your throat for fatha upon your jaws. The dal has zabzaba and make it 2 counts long. For fatha upon jaws. Bullah. Keep ba light. For dhamma, circular lips. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Bullah. It is always 2 counts long. Law. He. For kasra give e sound. The. Keep ba light. For fatha upon jaws attach with the ghain. Ghain is heavy with infitah and it will get rakhawa. Bell. Very sharp sound. Then صفة التوسط and حكمه إظهار. أو very sharp sound for fatha open jaws and this is واو lean because واو ساكنة قبلها مفتوح. So when you are attaching this hamza fatha with واو, you are making the sound soft. أو جه بفتح open jaws attached with ha will get sifa of rawa and ha is light. جه ra is heavy بفتح open jaws, the sound is short. Then صفة التوسط حكمه إظهار. هل بفتح open jaws attached with lam will get sifa of توسط. You for the circular lips attached with ha, keep ha light, and as you will touch ha, your lips should be in a straight position and should not be circled, because if you are keeping the shape of ha the same as you did on ya, you will be giving dhamma on ha too. So don't do that because ha has sakoon. So your lips should be in a straight position as you will touch ha. You la for patha open jaws. Ku for the circular lips, the sound is short. Il hamza is short for kasra give e sound attached with lam will get sip up the wasut. Lal for patha open jaws attached with lam will get sip up the wasut. Aw off is heavy for patha open jaws attached with wow. This is wow lean. So make it soft and make off heavy, nicely heavy. Ow, move. For the circular lips is attached with the. As you will take the, your lips should be in a straight position. The will have rakhaw and the is heavy. Move the 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Moon. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has affected this 2 counts long vowel and has turned it into 4. This is madarat sukoon. قل أرأيتكم إن أتاكم عذاب الله بغتة أو جهرة هل يهلك إلا القوم الظالمون. ومخرج فاء circling your lips فتح on jaws ما 2 counts long. No. Noon is light for the circular lips attached with raw. As you will touch raw, your lips should be in a straight position. Raw will get sifa of the wasut. No. C for kasra give e sound. Lul for the circular lips attached with lam will get sifa of the wasut. More. For Dhamma, circular lips, as you will touch Ra, your lips should be in a straight position. Ra will be heavy because there is Dhamma before it. Mo, Se, for Fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Li, 2 counts long. Na, for Fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Il, Hamza is sharp, for Kasra give E sound attached with Lam will get sipap tosut. La, 2 counts long. Mu, for Dhamma, circular lips, the sound is short. Bash, for fatha upon jaws attached with shin will get sifa for a khaw, and it has the fashi. Bashi for kasra give e sound. Eri, ra is light because there is kasra on it, and it is 2 counts long. Rina for fatha upon jaws. Uwa makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha upon jaws. Mu for dhamma circle your lips, and as you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma on ikhfa. And this ikhfa is light because dha is among the light and letters, and you are hiding the sound of noon. You're going and you are keeping your mouth ready for to say that, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is all about ikhfa. Madi for kasra give e sound. Reen. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukun in it. On this temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukun. Now it is 4 counts long. Fa, give Hamsin fa on fa for fatha open jaws. Man for fatha open jaws attached noon will get the of the wasut and hukmu hidhar. Hamza is very sharp sound, make it 2 counts long. Ma for fatha open jaws. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips for fatha open jaws. As Hamza is light and Hamza is sharp. As you will take sod, sod will be heavy and it has rakhawa and it has safir. As la for fatha open jaws. Ha has hums for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Fa give hums on fa for fatha open jaws. Whenever you are looking at fa, you are giving hums. Hums is must in fa. Fa la 2 counts long. Khaw is heavy with infitah and it is heavy and this is wawlin, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with waw. Here you are applying softness. Khawfun, the suffice tawassul and hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay, this is yailin, so make it soft. Lay him for kasra give e sound attached mim, mim gets above tawassul. Wa makhraj of waw circling your lips fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Hum for the circle lips attached mim, mim gets above of tawassul and hukmuhu idhar. Yeah for ya. The makhraj of ya is when you are lifting your tongue up towards palate, but you are not touching it. This is makhraj of ya and attached ha will get sipah for khaw, and it has hums. Ya, za, za has a safir and za for fatha. Open your jaws. The sound is short. Za, noon. Because of this verb, you are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukun. وما نرسل المرسلين إلا مبشرين ومنذرين فمن آمن وأصلح فلا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون والذين مخرج الفاء circling your lips فتح open jaws attached lam will get sifab توسط the give the bind dal make it 2 counts long na فتح open jaws كذ فتح open jaws attached dal will get sifab for and it is light. كذ كذ. This zabzaba sound should be heard nicely because of the rakhawa. كذبوا boo for the circle left, make it 2 counts long, and this 2 counts long vowel should not go into your nose. B for kasra give e sound. 2 counts long. Yeah 2 counts long. T for kasra give e sound. Na 2 counts long. Keep ya soft for open jaws. Must give rakhawa, but don't pressurize when you are saying this scene. This is beautiful, beautiful sound which should not have the stress. Masu for the circle lips. Hu for the circle lips. The sound is short. Mul for the circle lips attached. Lam will get sip of the wasut. Ain from your throat for open jaws. The 2 counts long. Bu for the circle lips. The sound is short. B for kasra give e sound. Ma, 2 counts long. Ka, 2 counts long. Nu, 2 counts long. All these 2 counts long vowels should not go into your nose. If for top on jaws, keep your light. Fa has humps, and humps is flow of breath. If su for the must circle your lips, the sound is short. Poon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 count long vowel into 4. This is mad arid lis sukoon. والذين كذبوا بآياتنا يمسهم العذاب بما كانوا يفسقون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.